Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can exit second space in Redmi. So there are ultimately three ways you can do that. So first you can lock your screen and input the password, the screen lock of your original space, the first space. If you have the screen lock enabled, of course. You can also look for the switch shortcut and tap on it to also switch back to the primary space. Or you can launch your device's settings, then enter the additional settings category, enter the second space here, scroll all the way to the bottom, and press switching between spaces. Now wait a few seconds, and here you have it. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.